Hi everyone, coming at you from Malaga City. Today I've got something very exciting to share with you from our headquarters. It is our new solution, MDT PV photovoltaic, designing in collaboration with Soltec. In short, it's a CAD application for optimization in surveying projects in solar farms, especially for complex terrain and considering all the criteria that a PV project has, such as slopes, clearance, all types of trackets or modules, fill and cut volumes, 3D maps, all reports, and so on and so on. Working with all different surfaces like design surfaces or final surfaces. Let's jump on the playlist. See you soon.